on the beads that you need for it too. It doesn't have, so this, she'll have the necklace that she ties on, hooks here, torso, and full waist bead. So anyway, that's her part of her order. She also got, let me show you guys her order since we over here. She also got this really cute copper wire wrap rose quartz necklace that I made for her, that I also just added to my shop as well. And ain't this beautiful? The copper is just hidden. Like I think I'm gonna have one of these myself. I'm like, did I already make me one? No, but I think I'm gonna definitely make this. I also just added this as well to my shop, so you can get that as well. The chain is adjustable, so you can make it be longer. I think it's from like 18, don't get me lying, to like 22 inches. So she got that as well. And like I said, I make these handmade. Here's my bag of crystals that I wire wrap. There's also some waist bead, like I have a rose quartz waist bead set that you get the raw crystal with the waist bead as well. So, and I just bought amethyst since we got it out. Let's just, thank you for the follow, Mina Mean. 10/18. Is that your birthday? Because it's not, we almost, if it is, we almost birthday twins. But anyway, I got this amethyst because like amethyst is one of my favorite ones. And so I was like, you know what, it's time to add some amethyst to the shop. Okay, I was like, uh-oh. Hey, Libra friend, you right there, almost at a Scorpio, but you a Libra. Ain't that beautiful? I know it's a filter on this, but it's definitely still not, it's just give it a little extra shine. So I'm going to probably doing some amethyst jewelry as well. And I'm going to be adding some amethyst to like my amethyst. Like we have an amethyst and carnelian waist bead. So I'm probably going to add, nice to meet you so much. I mean, nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too. And thank you so much. So like, I'm probably going to be adding like where you can get the amethyst crystal with the amethyst and carnelian waist bead and the other amethyst jewelry that I have. And you can go check out to see what type of amethyst jewelry I have available. So, okay, let me show you the rest of her order. She also got this one. And what happened with this one, she came over and saw this one. It's like, this is mine. But the only thing that she wanted, it was on a nylon string. So I remade it for her on stretch cord because she likes stretch cord. So I remade this. I just also added this one as well to the shop. And it has like a little splash of turquoise in here. These rose pink beads with a clear and gold mix. And it also has these mint green beads that kind of accent the turquoise. And then it has this, this is a quartz, but it's colored in pink. So it's a pink quartz. Hey, Mom Spaghetti, thank you so much, guys. Thank you for the love. Be sure to give me a follow. I go live every morning, Monday through Friday. So between 6 and 8. I try to come on right at 6, but the time change, y'all, has really got me coming on at like 7, which is why I'm here now, just hopping on. So I just added this as well. Now this is wrapped in a copper wire. If you can see, I know it's the filter, but it's a copper wire wrap quartz crystal, and then it has this really cute bead mix. So I just added this as well. It's